Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see your TikTok watch history. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, and then you want to click on the three line at the top right. From over here you want to choose settings and privacy, and then you want to scroll a bit down and you will see the option called activity center. Click on activity center, and from over here choose watch history, and then it's going to show you all of your watch history on TikTok just like this. Now remember, some people's watch history is not shown over here. I mean, some people don't even have this option called activity center. And if you don't have activity center, then what could be the issue is you have not updated your TikTok until now. And don't worry, if the activity center option is not available, then your watch history option is going to be a bit down. So just keep on scrolling down until you see watch history. But if you want to follow the steps which I showed you, just update your TikTok to the latest version, and then you will see the activity center option. And from there you can see your watch history on TikTok. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my future video.